Hello, I'm Andrew from the Netherlands, and today I'm gonna let you hear the difference between these MB Quart 590 MCS from 1991 and in comparison with these JBL E80s, these monster big speakers. And well, let me hear you the difference. Okay, this knob is for the MB Quart and this knob is for the JBL. Okay, listen to this. Listen to the difference. MB Quart first.
For God's sake, dear. For God's sake, dear.
JBL.
'Cause I'm aching, I know you are too. For the touch of you.
MB Quart. Well, the MB Quart missed some bass, so I put some extra 2-stripe of bass. Listen to this. Well, the MB Quarts now.
Just be friends while I came up with that line, and I'm sure it's for the best. If you ever change your mind, don't hold your
JBL. MB Quart.
When you said goodbye, my whole world said, hey, hey, hey.
JBL.
I can't stop myself from smiling. If I drink it, then I'm buying. And I know
MB Quart.
it's a beautiful day, the sun is up, music's playing.
MB Quart. Well, this was just a short test, a short little test, and well, think about it what you want. I know which one sounds better, and well, these JBLs are very, very popular, but believe me, if you put these MB Quarts on the second-hand market, well, there are not many people who want these speakers in their house because of the looks, but you just heard the sound. And I think the most important thing of speakers is the sound, not the way they look. But yeah, this is me. And most guys of you have a wife, a woman, you know, and these women, they never want to have these speakers, these MB Quarts in their house because they are just ugly speakers. And that's the reason why people buy this, well, these sleek speakers, these JBL speakers. And but well, thanks for watching. This was just a short test between vintage speakers and the very popular JBL E80 speakers. Well, I hope you like this test, and for now I say bye bye.